The Premier Soccer League remains a gift that keeps on giving. Barely 2 weeks after the drama of the MTN 8 semi-finals, where Orlando Pirates edged out Mamelodi Sundowns to book a final against Stellenbosch FC, attention now shifts to the Betway Premiership. On Wednesday night, all eyes will be on FNB Stadium as Kaizer Chiefs welcome the defending champions Sundowns in what promises to be another high-stakes encounter. Chiefs head into the clash buoyed by a perfect start to the league campaign, winning all three of their opening fixtures. The mood could not be more different in the Sundowns camp, with Brazilians still reeling from their MTN 8 exit at the hands of Pirates. Sundowns skipper and goalkeeper Ronwen Williams admitted that the defeat in the semi-final, which was decided on penalties after 2-2 aggregate draw, left the team deflated and said this is not a good space to be in right now. The guys are still down and the mood is not the best. Our goal was to go all the way in the MCN 8, but it wasn't to be. Now we just have to dust ourselves off and start again. Williams revealed that the squad has taken time to dissect what went wrong against Pirates, and the focus now has shifted entirely to the challenge posed by Chiefs, and said we had a session to reflect on both the positives and the negatives from the Pirates. Yes, we are hurting, but the key now is to support each other and move forward. Chiefs have started the season well. Their confidence is up, and we know it's going to be a massive game. Despite this disappointment, Williams remains optimistic about the Sundowns' chances of bouncing back at the FNB Stadium, a venue where the Zona Giants have often found joy in recent seasons, and said there is no reason for us to go into this game without confidence. We haven't lost in open play this season, although we know the team hasn't fully settled yet. Still, we have the quality to go out there and get a result. We've done it before at FNB and we can do it again. It's just about giving that extra 10% and being better. As Amakosi aim to maintain their early momentum and Sundowns look to reassert their dominance, Wednesday's clash promises the kind of drama and intensity that has made the PSL a non-stop theatre of football. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.